Have you ever thought on how digitalization can help to increase productivity in welding? At least I have, and as a weld professor, of course, we start as always analytical and stepwise. First step is we have to measure the productivity. So how do we do that? Of course, we can determine the arc on time, or we can determine how many parts are welded per shift, and this as a starting point. Then we can start comparing different workplaces. This can be manual welding workplaces or also robotic welding cells. And by comparing this productivity data, now we can look for improvements. How can we increase productivity? For instance, by reducing non-productive work in the different work cells, or also by optimizing jigs and fixtures that you always have in welding, or also looking why is typically in the third shift a lower productivity, maybe because there are not optimized parameters. And these are the methods on how digitalization can help to increase productivity in welding.